When you receive your kit, this is kind of how it's supposed to look together. I am going to use some painter's tape to help hold down my small pieces. Now today I used paint that's right from Dollar General. I believe you can get most of these for $1 to $1.50 each. And I'm going to start by painting my bunny in Smoky Quartz, which is from Wise Owl. And then I'm going to start going in with some white. Now the reason I use the Dollar General paint is that cheaper paint, the pigment is not as strong. And when you have a lot of scoring in some of these kits, to have a lesser pigmented paint is going to help the scoring come through. So I really don't want full coverage. Guys, I don't remember the names of some of these colors, so I'm just going to call them for what we see them. This is the pink, and I added it to the top of my P and the bottom of my H. Then I went in with their green and did the next layer up on both letters. I took their blue and added it with some of their white and got this really pretty Eastery pastel blue, and I'm going to add that to the next layer. You can see the scoring, so all these layers are in like a stripe. And then I'm going to take that blue and go under the green and the P. But I skipped one frame and went to the lower portion to kind of change things up a little bit. This is their yellow. And as you can see, this does not give the coverage that Wise Owl would give. But that's what we want, because you're going to see all that detail come through the paint. It's almost going to have like a tie-dyed look. I'm going to take the yellow and fill in the stripe on the egg in his body. And then I'm going to take that blue and put it at the upper portion of the egg. And then I'm going to fill the heart in the egg with their pink. I'm going to add dots within the yellow part. And here what we have so far. I'm going to go back to my Smoky Quartz and I'm going to fill in the body, as some of it is going to be peeking through. So I just filled in the whole thing to make it easy. I took some of the white and went around the feet with the white. I went around his face and his ears with the white. And it's just going to add some interest to my project. I have such little paint on this dabber, it's almost like a dry white. My base I'm going to paint in the Smoky Quartz. His little bow I did in the blue and then added that white around the edge. And guys, you can be creative. You can use whatever colors you want. And really whatever paint you want works well with these cutouts. I'm going to take a Sharpie pen and fill in the eyes and the whiskers. Now I'm gluing everything together. I added the nose, the head, the body. I added the feet and his bow tie. And then I took this marker. I got this from the Dollar Tree. It's in the metallics. It says white. And I added in all the detail with the white marker. Again, I got that right at the Dollar Tree. It works really well. Just as good as the Sharpie, I felt. And then I added this to the base, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. You can find this kit at chalkitofancy.com.